Now let's talk about the application timeline. Why am I saying you start as early as first year? Because the process is long. You need to prepare for step 1 in first year. People appear in third year, CKCS in internship year, and you go for something called as clinical rotation in internship year. You build your CV in your medical school and then apply for your admission. So a lot of things have to be done, which people do it in 5 to 6 years parallel to medical school. Now if you decide in internship year, you will spend 1 extra year for step 1, 1 year for step 2 CK, CS and clinical rotation. So you will spend 2 extra years compared to others. Now after you are done everything, the admission starts online every year in the month of September on an electronic portal called as ERAS. Once you make application November to January, you have to go for your interviews to America. These are actual job interviews where they will ask all the questions or whatever you mentioned here. They will show you what kind of facilities, benefits, salaries they can offer. After that, in February, you have to submit your preference. March is when the results are out. You come to know where you got admission. And July onwards, your PG starts in America. So you are on a J1 or a H1B visa, 2 category of visa in which you can work in America. So if you see after graduation, it's itself is a 1-year procedure. So if you delay it, then you spend 1 year, and total 3 years. I hope you're able to understand this. So now anybody else has any questions? Because it seems the procedure is long, exams are difficult. Then why do you think Indian students prepare for USMLE? Reason is very simple. There is lots and lots of demand. COVID has just increased the demand very fold. In India, you can start working right after you complete your MBBS. Can you do so in America? No. In America, you should be at least PG before you start doing jobs. So that's why there is a huge requirement of residency physicians in America. I hope you are able to understand this. Moreover, the very simple maths. The number of PG seats in America is increasing every year, the blue bar. But the yellow bar is the number of MBBS seats. They have more PG seat, less MBBS seats, and hence the gap, which is filled by international students. What is the problem with India? India, the PG seats are similar, 30,000, no problem. But how many are MBBS seats? MBBS are almost 70,000. In fact, this year it has increased more. Plus, last year who did not get admission in PG, they also apply. Plus, last year who did not get admission, they also apply. Plus, there are eternal optimists. Last 3 years, they are writing NEET PG and not taking crores of rupees admission in private college. They also apply. So, in short, 1.5 lakh students write NEET PG every year, and only 15,000 seats are government. So, out of only 10 students, only 1 gets a seat in government. Rest of them have to pay crores of rupees. In America, the seats are more. That's why it is a simple reason why more and more international students are getting admission. Now, somebody was asking, what is the salary after graduation? So, minimum salary after graduation is 1.5 crores for medicine, family medicine. If you do something better like psychiatry or patho, you earn more. OBGY, you earn more. Oncology, you earn more. Anesthesio, you earn more. The top specialty is plastic surgery, orthopedics, cardio, gastro, and radio, where you are earning close to about 2 to 3 crore rupees per year. You might be wondering, is this a reality? Does it actually happen? Absolutely yes. Hundreds of Indian students get admission every year. And this is the live example. 2020 broke all the records since 1990. Highest number of students have got admission. People were saying Trump is bad for international. Well, yes, Trump could affect all the engineering jobs, management jobs, but medicine he could not touch because they require high quality physician. And in the entire Trump's tenure, the number of students getting admission kept on increasing year on year. So it is a reality. Some of you might be wondering, is it even possible to get admission? So yes, it is real. I can just give you an example. You can just check for one of the hospital and you will realize which is the truth for majority of American hospitals. Okay, there are just like you so many students who are once upon a time studying in Indian medical colleges, just like you, but currently they are successfully working in one or the other medical college in America. So this is the reality of US. Indians are very much accepted, no problem whatsoever. Okay, please understand there's absolutely no problem with Indian medical school professional. All of these students were once upon a time medical students in a medical college in India, just like you. Currently, they are successfully working in the American job market. They have got their residencies in America. They are at the forefront of the entire COVID journey. So I hope you're able to understand this. It is a reality for everybody who is ready to work hard, who is ready to take up this challenge, who has a lot of patience in life, and is ready to sacrifice a lot of important things right now parallel to MBBS for a brighter future.